In this video, I'm going to show you how I use the PowerPoint program and Camtasia to create a presentation to be used in MyPowerConference. It's not as complicated as it may seem. So I'm in PowerPoint, and what I've done is when you purchase Camtasia, you can add it on to PowerPoint. It's automatic because Camtasia will see that there you have PowerPoint, and it will say, do you want to add Camtasia to PowerPoint? And I said yes, and so it created this tab, add-ins, right here. And that's why you see this record button. Right here's the mic, and here's the webcam. I'm going to choose to use the webcam and mic. Now what you can do is you can record a PowerPoint presentation without webcam. Just simply turn the webcam off right there. You can also record a presentation even without the audio and the webcam, meaning you would first create your audio and video separate, and then you simply record the slides and just flip through them, go through them as you talk. As you're talking to the slides, you just simply go to next, next, next. But in this case, I'm just going to show you how I do all of them at the same time, how I can add the webcam with the audio and record at that same time, okay? So let's do this. I'm going to click on, I've already have these slides pre-made. I have just 7 of them as an example, and we will make these available to you, this format right here. It'll show MyPowerConference right here on the left. It has a slide, but beneath it is the area for you to put your webcam. We'll make these available to you if you're a subscriber to MyPowerConference. That's the only condition we require, is be a subscriber to MyPowerConference. We'll make it available because you really need to be using these within MyPowerConference, and to keep it Metaluca compliant, it needs to be within MyPowerConference, because anyone on your team can give a presentation by simply showing your pre-made, pre-recorded presentation. So there's the personal touch, and all you're doing is simply training your team how to intro your video and how to close out a video. So that's what's great about this. It makes things very, very simple. So you have the slides here. So let's go ahead and click on record. And it's going to be a bit tricky because I'm going to record me recording. So let's see how this works, okay? So let me click on record. And then suddenly, let me just slide, move this page over a little bit so you can get it in view so you can see what's going on here. This is the view of my other window. I'm going to size this down for a moment, but I wanted you to see something. When I clicked on record, you're going to see this screen pop up, and let me bring it down here. There we go. You'll see the screen come up, and this is the PowerPoint. This is the first page of the PowerPoint. But right here on the bottom right-hand side, you'll see click to begin recording. And once I click on that, then I can start going to the PowerPoint presentation. So I have the presentation screen, but I also have the presenter screen. Now let me just size this down to show you what I'm talking about. Right here, this is the presenter screen within PowerPoint. It's really cool. Now, the recording, it's going to record whatever is on this presentation screen. So I'm going to go through each slide, click on next, 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 and it'll, right here, you see that right arrow or button. I'll click on that and advance through the slides and talk through them. And when I click on record, it's going to record the webcam as well as the audio. Really easy to do. So, and then I'm going to show you how to move your webcam in place right here on the left. So anyway, let me just show you right now. Okay, I'm going to click to begin recording. Clicked on that. It takes a few moments to initialize. Here it is. There it is. Now it's recording. The great thing about Camtasia and in PowerPoint is you can set things up. I'm talking right now, but I can edit out this part or any part, and then whenever I'm ready to or when I'm ready to start, I start, and then later on I can cut out whatever portion I want cut out of the presentation. So let's go ahead and let's just pretend we're giving a presentation, and I'm going to back up. I have the webcam on, even though it doesn't show in view. I already know that the webcam, I already did a preview, which show the view, what it's going to be looking at. So I have the lighting set, the dimensions pretty good, and so I'm talking, looking in the camera, looking at the slide, looking at the camera, looking at the slide, so on. I go to the next slide, and who is Melaleuca? You really want to be looking right into the camera. Look at that. For me, it's a blue dot I see, and if I focus on that, then it looks like I'm looking right at you, right? And it's really easy. And so I go to the next slide, talk about the mission to enhance the lives of those we touch, and then go to slide 4. And then what we're going to do is we're going to insert videos in certain parts of this. Let's say I wanted to insert a video right after this. What's most important in your life? And I can show the Frank video. And then we can go to slide 6 and talk through it. And then let's say we want to show another video. And at this point, I will insert a video. I'm going to show you how to do that within Camtasia. Okay, so we've done our talking. You know, you have your script. You've talked through your. Some of you have done this so much, you know it all by heart, and you can very easily give your 30-minute presentation. Just run through it, talk through it, and go through the slides. And when you go to show a video, just say at this point we'll show a video. You just pause for a moment because we're going to create a break in the track. We're going to create a break where you're going to insert the video. Then after the video is inserted, then you simply say okay, and you start right up again and go to the next slide. I'll show you what I'm talking about and when we get into Camtasia. Okay, so we're doing the recording. At this point, let's go ahead and go to the next slide and say, okay, we're done, and we're going to close out this recording. So at this point, I'm going to press the escape key, and that will close out the recording, or at least bring up this dialog box, stop recording or continue recording. I'm going to click on stop recording, and it's going to open up another window asking me where I want to save that file, and I have it, MyPowerConference video training, and so in this case I'm going to save it as a demo video. Let me change that here. Yeah, creating video. Let's just put it all together like that, okay? And I'll put the number 1 after it for now. So I will save it, and what I want to do is edit the recording, not just produce a recording, but simply edit the recording. And it's going to open up Camtasia at this point. I'm going to bring it over in view. Here we are. Everything's a lot smaller because I'm fitting it into this training here, this video for you. So normally I'd have it full view on my desktop, so I've sized things down. So you can see right here, track 1, it shows the video. Track 2 is the audio, okay? Video and audio. So what I want to do is the video, just click on that, or if you want to, click outside here and then click on the screen right there. That's the video, but then right here is also the webcam. See that? I click outside and click on the webcam. Then I can simply move the webcam of me over right here. I move my mouse on the bottom right hand side, and I click down on the mouse and I drag, and it opens up my webcam, centered it right there, right? Looks pretty good, right? Very nice. And then let me go to more here, visual properties, and then I'm simply going to go to drop shadow. I like to put a little drop shadow there. I like to blur the shadow a little bit, and opacity, bring it down to about 50%, and the distance out a little bit more, maybe a little more blur. And let's take a look. There it is. That looks nice, right? It kind of matches this delivering wellness right there. So that's what I've done. Now let's look at this. Let's see what happens when I press play to preview this recording I just did. And then I'm going to show you how to insert your videos. Okay, here we go. There it is. Now it's recording. Now you're not hearing the audio in this like I am. I don't have that set up right now in this example, but which is okay. Okay, so it's showing the video. Let's advance here a little bit more. Go ahead and let's just pretend we're giving a presentation. So as you can see, it looks pretty nice, right? And let's find that spot where I talk about giving the inserting a video. Okay, hang on a second here. Okay. Okay, let me stop right where I talked about Frank. Let me take it back a little bit. Let's say I just finished talking about Frank video right here, right? All I do is I just right mouse click, split all, split this. Let me go to the zoom out right here. See it over here, zoom out. I just zoom out because what I'm going to do is I'm going to see I dragged and highlighted the two of them like this, right? I put my mouse over here, click down, drag, so that way I select the two of them. Then I click on either one and I just drag it, okay? I don't click on just the one because it'll do that, right? I don't want to do that. Let me take it, bring it back there. I want to select both of them, and then so I can drag it anywhere I want. I'm going to drag it over here because I'm going to insert right here the video from Frank. So I'm going to import media. And in fact, in this example, it's for convenience. Let me use the Who We Are video. It's real simple. And I select that, and we can pretend it's Frank or any other of the videos. They're MP4 videos, MP4. I click open, and there it is right here. It puts it in the clip bin right here. It is whenever you bring in your audio or video or images, it will put it in the clip bin, and you take this right here, and I'm going to select it and drag it down into the track right here and put it on track 1. There we go. And then I'll go to this and bring that over. See what I'm saying? I selected this, they had moved it, and I bring it over, and now watch. I'm going to play the end of this video here, and then it's going to play this video. Watch. Okay. We are a professional group of home business owners. Okay, so it plays to that video, and then at the end of that video, it goes right back to your presentation, going through the slides. See that? Watch. See? Cool deal, huh? So that's how you can simply create your own presentation, and the way I do the segues is, let me just zoom in a little bit right here. And you see that right here is the video, Who We Are, and right here is part of my other video that is created. And I want to create a segue right here. I just simply go to Transitions, Fade, and drag. I drag that transition. I want to fade. I want to drag this in and just place it right there. And drag this fade here, put it right there, and look what happens. Watch. Watch the fade. Here it comes on the left. See how it faded? It fades in, fades out, fades in. There we go. See? Nice. Much, much better. So, and there's some more things you can do. We would we'll have to show you another video on that, but this is just in simple, basic form how to place your video and audio, and then insert another delivering wellness video, the MP4, and then continue on with your slide here and play. And then once you're done, you simply go to File, and then you go to Produce and Share, and then you save it as an MP4, and then you upload it to YouTube. Okay? And then at that point, once you save this as an MP4 and you upload it to YouTube, at that point you open up your MyPowerConference system, and then you add the YouTube to the MyPowerConference, and there you have it. It's that simple to do. Okay? Hope that helps. Thank you.